Hello students, the topic of the essay is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great Indian leader. He was born on October 15, 1931 in Rameshwaram. He loved learning about science from a young age. Dr. Kalam became a scientist and worked on rockets. He helped India to build its space programs. People called him the Missile Man because of his work with missiles. Dr. Kalam also became the President of India in 2002. He loved teaching children and inspired many of them. He wrote books to share his ideas with kids. Dr. Kalam is remembered as a great teacher and a hero. Don't forget to subscribe.